Hello everybody, welcome back to the video. We'll be talking about two potential hurricanes. Both will most likely, well, the one here is a little uncertain, but the other one I'm talking about will probably be up to at least a cat or one in a tropical. We'll talk about it. Anyway, so I'm only going to be we'll talk about like as the video goes on, but I'm only going to be using this model here for both because I realized the radar, since there's so much rotation, like, you know, the things tropical tidbits use those little black circles that tell you the rotation. Well, there was so much black circles, because the more circles the rotation, it was just a black spot and it didn't even show you like the amount of rain or anything. So I won't be using that. But that's one of the reasons. Anyway, let's go. So this storm, the first one will form around the 11th. Well, not 11th. So we see this giant area in Mexico. It's like literally affecting land in Mexico. Well, Central America. So, Central America, yeah. But it doesn't really form into like a tropical system until around the 13th to the 16th. Now, this is in the Eastern Pacific, and they won't talk about the other one, but the National Hurricanes will talk about this one, and this will still exist on the 16th, but they'll probably start talking about it early, because that's what they do. If there's like an invest early or something, they'll talk about it. That's what happens with the tropical depression. But this is going to be at its strongest point, like 15th to 16th, when like the actual Eastern Pacific hurricane season starts. The Central Pacific starts on June 1st still, though. Same as the Olympics. So we see that now even though it already looks like a good storm here, since it probably most likely just formed, it looks like an invest, a tropical depression, or maybe already a tropical storm. Like when invest forms, it can be a tropical storm. But it's gonna strengthen. You see it. So a little below Central America, And here we have a tiny little form. This is probably a tropical storm. And I'm basing the tropical storm on like the intensity due on how well defined the storm is. And if it has an eye, it's probably a hurricane. Yeah, so this one really doesn't have as much of an eye, but... one was this... so there's this new update has come out, so I actually don't know fully, but it actually looks like it's gotten bigger and will affect them to land more. What? There's an eye. Okay, there's an eye. We have a problem. There is an eye. Most of it is north of the storm. Okay, this storm wasn't supposed to have an eye. And then it dies out in Central America. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to be talking about the one in the Gulf of Mexico, though, because, it's like I want to focus on these more effective storms, but oh my gosh, that has an eye.